In this video, I'll be showing you how you can find your archived chats on your ChatGPT. Let's say you've archived some chats, you don't want people to, get access to these chats then when they open your ChatGPT. Let me show you guys how to find that. So now let's tap on the hamburger menu, top left corner of our screen. You see the two bars there, tap on that. Good. On here, you tap on your profile. So down there, you just tap on your profile like that. So on here, what you need to do is data control. Let's tap on our data control. Good. And you can see view our archive chat. So I have an archive chat that I don't want anybody to see, but then I just did that because of that. So this is questions I post on my channel. Yeah. So you tap on that and you unarchive it and you are good to go. So on archive, and it's going to appear in your history and you can then glance through the chat and then read it. After that, you can archive it once again and you can see explanation, blah, 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 and you are good to go. So that's it on how to hide chat or archive chat on ChatGPT. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and that's it for the video. Peace.